Well, it's Sunday, so it depends. So it's Sunday, so I'll go to sleep at like 9 o'clock, and on like a real weeknight, like if it was Monday and then it's gonna be Tuesday, I will go to sleep 8 o'clock. Or like 8:30 probably. That's my curfew. So yeah, comment down below. And just a reminder, the question of the day is, what time do you get up what time do you go to sleep on a weeknight, and what time do you get up in the morning for a school day? So yeah, comment down below. Bye. Oh, and if you're homeschooled, like what time do you get up for your mom station? Okay. Peace.